Do you want some extra income? Today, we'll demonstrate how to easily create a song using artificial intelligence with any voice in 5 minutes. Everything will be explained practically so that anyone can do it online, without having to install anything on their computer, and for free. Before we get started, take a look at these AI covers of famous songs. Some have hundreds of thousands of views and are on monetized channels, so you can start attracting high traffic today. At the end of the video, I'll reveal what the final 5-minute cover looks like, so watch until the end. Selecting a song and separating the sound. First, we'll choose a song whose voice we want to change. Then we download the song and use the tool X- to separate the sound and voice. We download 2 files to our computers for the artist's voice and the song's sound. MusicFi. The first tool is MusicFi. You register for free and log into your account. At the top, you click on the Parody tab. You insert the voice file and choose an artist from the list. Unfortunately, the selection is limited to a few dozen characters. Then you click on Remix and download the resulting file. Covers.AI. The next tool is Covers. The selection of voices is also limited, but here you mainly find politicians, celebrities, and sports figures. You choose the voice file, then select the artist and enter the email to which the final file with the modified voice will be sent. Kits.AI. The Kits tool offers free voices that closely resemble famous singers. After clicking on the chosen artist, you can insert the voice file and convert the resulting voice. The length of conversion is limited to 15 minutes per month. Shortly, I'll share a bonus guide on how to create your song using artificial intelligence. If our content has intrigued you, write in the comments which method you will try, or send the results of your work directly. I will respond to every comment. Copyright. Unfortunately, AI-generated cover songs are a gray area. Therefore, be cautious and do not upload them to your established channels to prevent your channel from being unnecessarily damaged by copyright owner interventions. Bonus. YouTuber Obscurious has prepared an interesting way to generate any song for free without restrictions. Just go to Google Drive. The link is placed in the description of the video, including a link to the YouTuber's profile. Then just follow the instructions. Click the play button at step 1. After installing, choose a voice either using the offer in the Google document or on the Discord server AI Hub. Then you enter the URL to download the voice model, and again click on the play button at step 2. In the last step 3, you generate the final web environment. Using the button and click on the generated address. On the generated page, you then just upload the voice sound and click the conversion button. Then download the resulting file. Combining the voice track with the sound. Using the Merge Audio Online tool, you can very easily combine the resulting 2 audio files. First, select the resulting voice file, and then the original song's soundtrack. At the top of the page, switch to the Overlay function and create the final AI cover song with the Overlay button. Now, we will listen to the result of our work.
Hey, just think what you've been getting down and out about the liars and the dirty
What do you think?
world.
Leave your opinion in the comments. Thank you for watching today's video on the Extra Income channel. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, don't miss our next interesting video.